Important questions of RBI related, December 2024. Question. RBI constituted 8-member committee to develop framework on ethical use of AI in financial sector and report is submit within 6 months. The committee is chaired by whom? Answer. Pushpak Bhattacharya will chair this committee and he is professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, IITB, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lifted the business restrictions imposed on 2 non-bank. What is name of these 2 non-banks and what restrictions were imposed on these non-bank? December 2024. Answer. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lifted the business restrictions imposed on 2 Edelweiss Group entities, Mumbai, Maharashtra, based ECL Finance Limited and Mumbai-based Edelweiss Asset Reconstruction Company, ARC Limited. ECL Finance was directed to cease and desist from undertaking any structured transactions in respect of its wholesale exposures, other than repayment and/or closure of accounts in its normal course of business. Edelweiss ARC was prohibited from acquiring financial assets and restructuring existing security receipts (SRs) into senior and subordinate tranches. Question. RBI imposed penalty of Rs. 27.3 lakh on IndusInd Bank. What is the reason behind this penalty? Answer. RBI imposed this penalty for non-compliance with specific provisions of the RBI Interest Rate on Deposits, Directions, 2016. Question. RBI approves Canara Banks to sell stake in 2 subsidiaries. What is the name of these 2 subsidiaries? Answer. 1. Canara Robeco Asset Management Company, CRAMC, Limited headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. 2. Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited, based in Gurgaon, Haryana. Question. RBI grants full authorization to which company is payment aggregator in December 2024? Answer. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, granted full authorization as a payment aggregator, PA, under its regulatory framework to InSolutions Global, ISG, Limited, a Mumbai, Maharashtra, based fintech company backed by JP Morgan Chase & Co. Question. Name of the bank has approved $225 United States dollars 5 million funding for the Enhancing Landscape and Ecosystem Management Element project, aimed at improving forest management and enhancing economic opportunities in Tripura and Nagaland. Answer. World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD. Question. Name of the entities which get approved license of payment aggregator cross-border, PACB, from RBI in 2024. Answer. Only 4 companies get license of PACB. 1. Cash Free Payments, 2. Amazon Pay, 3. BillDesk, and 4. Aiden India. Question. Name of the program launched by RBI under RBI at 90 commemorative event to provide an opportunity to the stakeholders to share their idea. Answer. Connect to Regulate, an initiative for open regulation. Question: RBI has decided to float a new interest rate benchmark, SORR, to improve credibility of the index. What is full form of SORR? Answer: Secured Overnight Rupee Rate, SORR. Question: RBI has proposed to link to which platform with Bharat Connect platform of National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, with the objective of bringing greater transparency and fairness in the pricing of foreign exchange for users. Answer: Foreign Exchange, FX Retail Platform. Question: The RBI has launched an innovative artificial intelligence model which is developed by the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, RBIH, with an aim to address the growing issues of digital fraud and tighten its grip on mule accounts. Name of this model? Answer: Mulehunter AI. Question: RBI increases collateral-free loan limit for farmers from which limit to Rs. 2 lakh. Answer: Rs. 1. 6 lakh. Question: The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has reduced the cash reserve ratio, CRR, of all banks by how many basis points in two equal tranches of 25 bits per second each to 4.0% of their deposits? Answer: 50 basis points. Question: RBI has permitted to offer pre-sanctioned credit lines via the Unified Payments Interface, UPI. For which banks have this permission? Answer: Previously this was only for scheduled commercial banks. But now small finance banks have also this facility. Important rates. Policy repo rate 6.5%. Fixed reverse repo rate 3.35%. Standing deposit facility, SDF, rate 6.25%. Marginal standing facility, MSF, rate 6.75%. Bank rate 6.75%. Cash reserve ratio, CRR, 4.0%. Statutory liquidity ratio, SLR, 18%. Thank you.